everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Erica, for another vlog. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you how our Valentine's Day goes. We don't have any plan actually. Our only plan is Harry to cook something and have dinner at home. It's just because every restaurant would be fully booked at this time, so we're not going to go out. Plus, I don't know, it's just like I don't want to have a lot of people around me. Since COVID, I don't want a lot of people, so I'm happy to be just at home. So Harry would just cook steak, I think. And yeah, just like what we usually order in a restaurant or something, but he'll just do it here, which is I like because I like my steak like personalized, well done, the way I want it to be. So that's good for me. So I'll show you guys what will happen in a bit because Harry's at work at the moment. So he'll come back maybe around 4 or 5 p.m. I'm not sure. And yeah, what I did today is I just did some washing. And that's it. Played with Ember a bit. And that's my Valentine so far this morning. And then I'll have my usual coffee. And by the way, I'll show you the photo here. These are the things that Harry bought me in the Filipino store as also, in a way, advanced Valentine's present. So, I have my Copico Blanca coffee, which I really like. Everyone knows I'm a Copico Blanca girl. And then I have my bizcocho as well. And what else did I... Oh, a pulveron. I have the pulveron as well. I like pulveron. And yeah, he already got me... few bits and bobs for early Valentine's present. I'm happy with that. And yeah, we just said, okay, just cook something here at home. So that's about it. So that's it. Ember would usually play by herself. She'll just get a toy from her basket and play by herself. That's how good she is. See? Sometimes she would bring her toys to us so that we'll play with her. But yeah, that's how she goes. Nang ganyan. So ayan, she would give us her toy and wants to play a bit of tug of war with us. Just like that. See? That's how she is. Very good girl. Very behaved.
Valentine's Day.
Ooh, thank you. This was actually here since last night. I just didn't know. I didn't know it's for me. That's why he didn't open it. This was delivered yesterday. So let's open this. Okay, so let's open this present now. Fully wrapped by Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. And it's just a bag. Oh, it's Osmo Pocket 3 carrying bag. Yay! No, because honestly, I'm putting it always on my bag. And
so I thought, it's useful.
Yeah, thank you.
It's meant to be for the creative kit.
Oh,
I don't know what other bits that's meant to have.
Thank you. What's in here? Ah, okay. It got its pocket and everything. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Where's mine?
Thank you. Yours is in the making. Thank you. I can put everything here now so that it'll be safe and secure instead of just putting it in my bag. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. So now we're gonna go for a Valentine's dog walk. So I'm gonna prepare Ember now with her leash and collar. Come on, puppy. Can you please go here, please? Thank you. Good girl. She's a good girl, isn't she? Yay! Well done! Bring a bag as well. Treats. This is our bag. It's 14 kilos now. Very big. Big, big. that. It's such a cool car. Did you see that one?
Yeah.
So cool.
It's like always just up there.
Oh. It was so cool. It's like personalized, or is it really a car like that?
I think it's really cool.
Cool.
See that about it.
And that's your Valentine's dinner sorted. He's making it now and he's cooking steak. And we're waiting, Ember and I are waiting. And I got some corn crackers while waiting. But he's a good cook anyway, and that's the steak. It's dinner time. And that's the Valentine's dinner. I like homemade steaks and chips. It's really, really good. Good job, chef. Good job, Harry. Appreciate it. Because his love language is act of service or cooking. So that's it. No, I think this is the sweetest because it's cooked. It's like an effort to cook it. And I also got a present DJI bag. All good.
But what did you get, Harry?
I get Harry all the love he needs. Now we're gonna eat and watch as per usual. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Say bye. Happy Valentine's Day. Heart. Do a heart.
No.
Heart. Heart. That's a burger. Bye.